Hello my friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different. With age, my lips are deflating. I have lip liner on only. It's intentional. Anyway, I have been really trying to find glosses that don't run in my lip lines, make my lips feel good, don't get all sticky and yucky, don't have a bunch of glitter in them. I'm really picky when it comes to a gloss because I am a lipstick girl. I absolutely love lipstick, and I still wear lipstick, and I always will wear lipstick. But sometimes the lips just look so pretty with gloss that I thought, I'm on a mission now. I'm going to find myself glosses that I really, really like. And I know lately you have heard me raving, absolutely raving about the FitGlow Beauty Lip Color Serums. I have like 2, 4, 5 of them, and I also have the night serum. And the night serum has something a little bit different from the glosses. It has rice collagen, which is vegan, and this is really, I consider these luxury glosses, not only in the way they look, but how they perform. And also, they just feel so fabulous on the lips. And I am telling you, when I wear these, not only do all of you ask me what's on my lip, people publicly, women, not men, women publicly ask me. So I thought I would just play around with some glosses. I do have a couple of other glosses that have been working for me. And I just thought, well, you know what? I'm just going to sit here and put some glosses on and show you a couple of combinations that I really love. So that's what we're going to do. So let's get started. So first, I just purchased this Chanel, and this is the Nude Brun 162. And I just lined this lightly around my lips. Now this is, to me, it has a mauve-y undertone to it versus the brown nude, which is okay. So my first gloss that I'm going to share with you is from FitGlow Beauty, and we are going to see what this looks like with the nude liner. Now you can, I put it on very thin, but you can go ahead and fill in the outer edges and leave the center so you get more of a pout look. But I wanted you to really be able to see what the glosses look like. So again, we are going in with Buff. These are beautiful. They come with a doe foot. They are very special glosses, my friends. So we're going to go ahead and put this one on. Look how beautiful that is. I just love these glosses. So there is the first one. Isn't that beautiful? And that, again, is with the Chanel new lip liner. These are the long wear lip pencils, and this is in 162 Nude Brun. Everything will be listed and linked below for you. But is this not a spectacular gloss? And these can be worn over the matte lipsticks, the long lasting, that don't really look good on an aging mouth. These are they're spectacular. I know I keep shoving them down your throats, but I love them. I'm madly in love with these glosses. So that is the Buff with the Nude Brun from Chanel. So now we're going to move on to another color. I wiped that off and I put on Spice by MAC lip liner. So now I'm going to go in with the Koi. And this was the original color that I fell in love with and then went crazy and got more. So this one here is definitely more your coral peachy. And you can change this by the lip liner you put with it. I'm wearing Spice, which does have like they call it a pinky, but it looks like a brick on me. But anyway, I have worn it with many, many nudes as well. They're like silk going on. Okay, so that is Koi. Is that not gorgeous? It is so beautiful. And you can change the look of this one depending on the lip liner you use. But this one here is Koi. Beautiful. I just love it, love it, love it, love it. Now, I'm going to go ahead now. I have 2 toppers. I consider these my toppers, but you can wear them on your own. And one is Bliss, and the other one is ROSÉ. And if you look at them next to each other, one is definitely just a little bit more on the pink. Watch these. They do not have as much pigment as these. These definitely, and they are a satin finish, so they're just gorgeous as a topper. They are right there next to each other. There's really not going to be much of a difference for you to see. Now this is the Bliss, which is the peachier, and if I wanted, I can go ahead, which I will do, and just put it in the center to give me a little bit more lift to that, a little more dimension to the actual lipstick. I do recommend if you're going to do that, I then wipe the dough foot off because I don't want to change the color of the Bliss. So I just wipe it off before I put it back in the container. But is that not gorgeous? And that is Koi with Bliss over it. These are so comfortable on the mouth. I really, really, really have been loving these glosses. So this one here is called Kind. This came in a kit that I bought at Christmas time. And this one here definitely is your lighter, brighter pink. Before I move any further, I'm going to go ahead and put these on so you can see what they look like. I don't have any liner on because I want you to see the actual color of these. So this one here is Bliss, and this is the look you will get with this if you wear it on your own, but you can easily pair this with a lip liner. But you see there, it's on the bottom lip and not the top. That is the look you will get from these. Let me go ahead and so there is that all on its own, and I will take this off and then we will put Rosé on. So now we're going to put Rosé on, and I also wanted to say these don't feel, the ones that have a satin finish, they don't feel any different from the ones that do not have satin in them. They are, there's no, you don't feel any grit or anything. I love these. I just love them. So here is the Rosé. So that is Rosé on the mouth. I could actually wear this without a lip liner. I mean, if you're not somebody who's into lip liners, you could easily wear these all on their own. I really have been able to create many looks with these. Okay, so I'm going to wipe this off, and I'll go ahead and put this Kind. Now this one here is Kind. This came in the set at Christmas time. I'm not sure if this one's available on its own. I'm just going to swipe the color of this because, to be honest with you, I don't really have a lip liner to match this one or to go with it. So I'm just going to show you what this Kind color looks like on the mouth. It just gives you a nice little tint of peachy pink. So there is Kind. Okay, so we're going to move on to a couple of other brands. And I just put on, this is by Lancome, and it is the lip liner in 277 Charm. It's just a nude pink color. Now these three glosses here, I've been wearing this one the most, but it did come in a little set. My niece actually gave these to me, so I don't know if these are sold on their own, but they are the Mcgrath Glosses. This one here is called Lust Gloss Pale Fire Nectar. I haven't worn this one yet, and I probably never will, to be honest with you. And the next one that came in the kit is Dare to Bear, and it's the Lust Gloss, and it's a very light pink. So this would be nice to top over like Spanish pink from Tom Ford. I haven't tried those. This is the one that I have been wearing a lot, which is really totally out of my color range, but it's called Divine Rose, and I just think it's beautiful. So I'll go ahead and put this on, and this one has a really nice doe foot. It actually molds to the lip as you're going along. Now this one here I just think is absolutely gorgeous. It's just a beautiful, beautiful shade. It is you can feel it on your lips a little bit more. I do like the formula of the FitGlow Beauty Lip Serum colors. But this one here, I've been grabbing and wearing it a lot when I want this pinky mauve tone. It's absolutely beautiful. It has a little bit of a satin finish to it, but really just, it looks great on. They don't last on my lips as long as the FitGlow Beauty, but I have really been loving them. So, and like I said, I didn't really try the other two, and they're not colors that I probably would ever wear, but I just wanted to let you know that there are some beautiful colors in it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this, and we're going to move on to another gloss that I have been loving. I did want to make mention about the Pat McGrath lip glosses. If you do not like to see glitter, you will not like those because there is a little bit of glitter. Now, it's a very, very fine glitter. You don't even know it's there until you go to take it off, and you'll see there's glitter stuck to your lips. But it doesn't really, it's not a problem for an aging mouth like, you know, some glitter can be. All right, so I just wanted to let you know about that. So now this is the Chanel, and again, this is the Nude Brun Lip Liner. So for me, it's a nudie with a little bit of a mauve undertone. And if you remember at Christmas time, I bought a lip gloss set of Fenty glosses, and it came with 4 of them. These are the only 2 colors that I really will put on, but this is the gloss that I reach for if I want to wear something other than the FitGlow Beauty, because I have to admit, I've been wearing those every day. But anyway, again, this is Fussy. It's a really pretty color, but I will tell you that Fenty has a very, very strong scent to them. So keep that in mind if you're somebody who's bothered by scent. So again, this is Fussy, and I just have the nude lip line just to give definition to my mouth. And that is what Fussy looks like. This is a nice one to top over a lipstick, but I will tell you, once you put it over a lipstick, you do change the formula of the lipstick and the gloss. This doesn't really play well with a lot of lipsticks. You can see a little bit of separation happening, but it is a nice topper if you just tap just slightly a little bit on. But if you're wearing it on its own, it really is nice. Now, it is a little bit wetter of a gloss, so it does travel for an aging woman a little bit more than the others, all right? Okay, so we're moving on to the last one. Then I'm just going to show you a lipstick combination with a gloss, and it's been my most favorite, and I've been wearing it a ton. All right, so this is, again, the Charm 277 by Lancome, lightly lined my lips. And this is the Hourglass formula, and I do have it in Solar, which I absolutely love as well. But this one here is in Fortune, and this is for you ladies that absolutely love a pink gloss. Now, this gloss is gorgeous. Has a beautiful doe foot. It's a little bit wet. All right, so that is Fortune. It is absolutely beautiful. Again, this is a beautiful topper if you just lightly touch it over a lipstick. It is a wetter gloss, so it does travel a little bit, but it's still a beautiful color. So I wanted to make sure I shared that with you as well. Before I move on to the lipsticks, some of you may want to see this one. This is called Cheeky. And again, this has a lot of glitter. It has a very strong scent. I'm just going to show you this color. So there is Cheeky by Fenty, all on its own without a lip liner. I don't normally wear this one with a lip liner. This one I just throw on if I just want to have a little bit of color. Usually I'm not wearing any makeup when I'm wearing this one, just to give my lips some life, because I prefer to have color on my lips when I'm not wearing any makeup versus wearing a nude, because then I'll just look washed out and old, okay? So that is Cheeky. Again, these have glitter in them and a strong scent. Okay, so on my lips, I went ahead and I put the MAC Hover Lip Liner, which looks like this. And then I put on the Charlotte Tilbury Angel Alessandra. My tube is just about had it, but I'll show you what it looks like next to the lip liner. So there's a little bit of contrast, but I put the liner on very thin just to define the lips. And then I go in with Koi from FitGlow Beauty. And just lightly touch it over. Okay, so that's what it looks like with just the Angel Alessandra, the Hover, and the Koi. But sometimes I just go in with the Bliss, and I touch just the center. You would get doing that little combination. I absolutely love it, but do we have to have 2 lip glosses, a lipstick, and a liner? No, we do not. But I just like to sometimes sit and play and see what combinations I can come up with. So I thought I would just share some of the combinations that I have been wearing lately. All right, my friends, so that is it for today. Let me know in the comments what some of your favorite glosses are. Have you tried the FitGlow Beauty glosses yet? They are just beautiful. They're not even actually called glosses, they're called serums, because they have a lot of skincare benefits to them, and I just love them. All right, my friends, so that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if there is a particular gloss that you absolutely love. I chose to go with what I consider luxury glosses. I have a ton of drugstore glosses. I have Revlon, I have Milani, I have all kinds of glosses and lipsticks in the drugstore, but I just wanted to single out the luxury ones that I have been wearing lately. So let me know in the comments if you have a combination you love. And if you haven't already subscribed, you know I would love to have you as an ageless beauty. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come on, hit it. I'll help you. And then right next to it is a bell which notifies you of all my new videos. Until the next time, my friends, go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.